My friends, if you are over 60 and you notice your eyesight fading, you are not alone. Millions of seniors around the world are waking up blurry or straining to read words that once looked clear as day. But here is the truth you may not have heard. There are foods you can eat before bed that actually nourish your eyes while you sleep. These natural foods give your eyes the vitamins and antioxidants they need to repair themselves overnight. Imagine resting peacefully and waking up with sharper vision and less strain. This is not some expensive treatment or a risky procedure. It is as simple as making the right choice on your dinner plate or your evening snack. And tonight I am going to share with you the exact foods that have been shown to restore vision naturally in seniors. Stay with me until the very end, because the last food I will reveal is the most powerful of them all, and it is often overlooked by doctors. Before we dive in, I want to ask you a question. Do you believe that nature still holds the answers to healing, even in a world filled with pills and surgeries? Comment yes if you do, and comment no if you think modern medicine is the only way. Your voice matters, and I want to hear your thoughts while we go through this journey together. Let me tell you about Margaret, a 72-year-old retired teacher. She loved reading books, but one day she realized the words were starting to blur. She bought stronger glasses, but her eyes kept weakening. Then she tried adding certain foods to her evening meals, and within weeks, she noticed her eyes felt less dry and the print on the page was easier to see. She was shocked at how something so simple made such a difference. Margaret's story is proof that you can fight back against age-related vision decline with natural choices. One of the first foods that can help is carrots and sweet potatoes. You probably heard since childhood that carrots are good for the eyes. That was not a myth. Carrots and sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for night vision and for preventing dryness that makes eyes feel irritated. Seniors who eat more orange-colored foods often show stronger retina health. Imagine your eyes as a camera lens. Without enough vitamin A, the lens grows cloudy, but with a steady supply it stays clear. I remember visiting my uncle in Florida, who is 68 years old. He loves gardening. Every evening he roasts sweet potatoes with a little olive oil and eats them before bed. He says the warmth of the food comforts him, and he wakes up with eyes that feel refreshed. He used to have trouble driving at night, but now his night vision is sharper. Tell me in the comments, do you enjoy carrots raw as a snack, or do you prefer baked sweet potatoes? Sharing your favorite way might help another viewer try it tonight. Another food that makes a big difference is blueberries. They are packed with anthocyanins, which strengthen the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and improve blood flow to the retina. Studies have shown that people who eat berries regularly often maintain sharper vision for longer. Think about this. While you sleep, your eyes still need oxygen and nutrients. The blood vessels carry these nutrients, but if the vessels are weak, your eyes starve in the dark hours. Blueberries act like little guardians protecting those vessels. I remember a story from Clara, age 75. She began eating a small bowl of blueberries mixed with yogurt before bed. After a month, she said her eyes felt less strained when she read her Bible in the morning. She even joked that blueberries became her nighttime eye drops. So let me ask you, what is your favorite berry? Comment below if you are a blueberry fan, or maybe you love raspberries or blackberries too. Your comment may inspire others to try. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also incredible for vision. They are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants protect your eyes from harmful blue light. Yes, the same blue light that comes from your phone or television screen. Seniors who eat spinach and kale regularly often show lower risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Picture your eyes as a shield. Every day, that shield gets attacked by light rays and oxidative stress. Without protection, the shield weakens. Lutein and zeaxanthin are like the polish that keeps the shield shining strong. I recall meeting Robert, age 69, at a community center. He struggled with cloudy vision. A nutritionist told him to blend kale into a smoothie with a banana before bedtime. It was tough at first, but within a few weeks his eyes felt less tired and he could read without constant breaks. Tell me in the comments, would you rather eat a fresh salad with spinach or drink it in a smoothie? I am curious to hear which option you prefer. Nuts also play a big role. Walnuts and almonds are rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin E is known to slow down age-related macular degeneration, while omega-3 reduce dry eyes. Eating a handful of nuts before bed gives your eyes a slow release of these nutrients through the night. My grandmother, who lived to 90, never went to bed without eating a few soaked almonds. She used to say they were her eye medicine. Her vision stayed sharp enough to thread a needle even in her late 80s. That memory always inspires me to keep a jar of nuts on my nightstand. Do you eat nuts regularly? Comment below with your favorite nut, and maybe even share if you soak them overnight like my grandmother did. Papaya is another treasure for seniors. This tropical fruit is often ignored, but it is a powerhouse. Papaya contains vitamin C, which is critical for repairing damaged tissues in the eyes. It also has beta-carotene and lutein, making it a triple-strength eye food. Eating papaya before bed helps your eyes heal micro-damage caused by sunlight during the day. I remember a man named Samuel from Texas who started eating papaya slices after dinner. Within 2 months, he noticed that his eyes no longer felt gritty when he woke up. He said it was like his eyes finally had a chance to rest deeply. If you have never tried papaya, I challenge you to taste it this week. And please comment if you already love papaya, so others will know it is worth trying. Eggs are also powerful. They are one of the best natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin plus zinc, which helps transport vitamin A into the retina. Seniors who eat eggs at night not only feel satisfied, but also give their eyes the raw materials they need for repair. A widow named Helen, age 77, told me she began making a small boiled egg snack before bedtime. She noticed her eyes felt more comfortable when she worked on her sewing the next day. Eggs may seem simple, but their power for eye health is remarkable. Would you prefer boiled, scrambled, or poached? Comment your choice below and let us see what most people love. Now I want to circle back to something important. Eating these foods before bed is not only about the nutrients, it is about timing. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Your cells are busy fixing damage and replenishing what was lost during the day. If your eyes have the right fuel at night, they can recover more deeply. That is why eating these foods in the evening is more powerful than just having them at breakfast. Think of it like charging your phone. If you plug it in while you sleep it is ready to go in the morning. Your eyes work the same way. I know some of you may be wondering how fast will I see results. The answer is different for everyone. For some like Clara, it may take a month. For others, it could be longer. But consistency is the secret. Just as eyesight fades gradually, it also heals gradually. Give your body steady support, and it will respond. Now here is the food I promised at the beginning that is the most overlooked, but one of the most powerful, kiwi. This small fruit is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin E, lutein, and copper all in one. Research has shown that people who eat kiwi regularly have lower risk of developing cataracts. Kiwi also supports collagen in the eyes, which keeps them flexible. A man named George, age 74, told me he started slicing kiwi before bed instead of cookies. Within weeks, he noticed his vision was less cloudy in the morning. He laughed, saying the little green fruit worked better than anything in his medicine cabinet. Have you tried kiwi at night? Comment yes if you love it, or no if you are still unsure. Maybe this is the sign you needed to give it a chance. So, my dear friends, we have walked through carrots, sweet potatoes, blueberries, spinach, kale, walnuts, almonds, papaya, eggs, and kiwi. These are not exotic cures. They are simple foods you can find in any grocery store. Yet, when you eat them before bed, they become natural healers for your eyes. The question is, will you give them a chance? I want to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat at night? Which one are you excited to try first? Leave your answers in the comments, because your story may encourage another senior watching this video right now. And if you have your own vision, improving food tips, share it. We are a community of people helping each other live healthier, longer lives.